I don't say many of you know this guy, Prince Obieze. Now the CEO of Obieze Oil and Gas and Motors Nigeria Limited. My people, matter don't reach me now. Say this guy don't die. They say he died for Dubai after they arrest him. And the reason now whether they give me say they arrest this guy, although some people they against him, some people they with him, you understand? But me, I they see many reasons because now they just say that because they front money everywhere for Facebook, Instagram, it just they show himself. When I hear this matter, I first when they doubt say you sure? Because they even told say when they arrest him, they not allow make it cause a lawyer, even a girlfriend they not allow, no family member they say they don't want to see. Now I say this one and a bad thing, my people, until I see the video with my Koro eye. Now I bring her phone away they doubt. On away they talk say this one, many things. Because for now we don't even know who are they talk about and the kind of money where they flaunt online. Join me, make me watch the video. As this matter be, they look at from two sides. Since when I don't talk, say now, you know they right. Oh yeah, make me look at from the two sides now. See, if they tell una say, no carry everything go social media, it get why. No be because person they jealous you, person they envy you. Now matters like this we they talk about. Some people on their own, na them they cause their death. This one no be village. It get matter when I go even tell una say this one na from village. This one no be village matter. This one he using hand, planning death. I don't support the fact say they no allow and bring lawyer or family members or girlfriend. I don't support that fact. But if we go look inside this matter, we go see say part of this thing, this guy they at fault. So government, I don't bring this case now because now the thing happened for Dubai. You need look inside this matter where that man, Dino Melaye, not be to the carry camera up and down. Let's say you be waiting they call a newscaster. You could just carry camera, they show us video where they chop. Now this kind of thing you supposed tell your people for government. Say they supposed look inside this matter because one of our citizens now, he don't die for that place. So. And this case not be just the death part. The fact say because normally for country as a non-citizen of a country, if something happen wey involve police, you get right to bring lawyer. But this one they no give her. Now why Nigeria government now supposed to look inside this matter? Chai, person just die like that. My people, if I dey tell una say low-key life na the best life. Low-key. No be say you dey fear, but see, no carry everything go social media. Make you get private life. Even if you want show yourself. Although normally we be human beings, you understand? At least once in a while. No, make una no lie. Sometimes una dey feel like, okay, I just get this new thing, make a post and you understand? But no be this guy. Una no see the video. Una see money where this guy carry. The money be like devil. No. I even dey fear, like goosebumps even carry me like this. How you go carry this kind of money come outside? Later, if they insult Africans, when I go to say, people are always insulting us, people don't like us, people this one. How do you know? No, we always like the show on self. Every time we like the show on self. Who una don't see white person, who una don't see we sit down. Video in money. Why itself even too far? For Africa, here, Naija, Dangote, una don't see Dangote, we go bank, withdraw the money, put am for table the video. Maturity, financial maturity, now what they call up? You go just they show you. See, every day of your life, you supposed they conscious, say, people they watch us, people they look at us, some things. Now understand, people they look us. And not be everybody dey okay with your success. Now one thing one are supposed to know. All these people wey get money, where you see say they know they show am. You think say they no want show am. If they give everybody chance, everybody want show say they don't better. Wetin na dey talk? But no be the one where you go just come outside. No, this thing, this matter, it really enter me. I no go lie. If una wan show say una get money, I don't talk this thing and I go still talk am. Now by the people where you help, the impact where you make for this world, now that thing go tell people, see, let your actions speak for you. Not be the one where you go come and say, we no need them. Make we just hear say, oh, David built hospital for homeless children. You see, things like that. People automatically, you don't even need to say you get money. You don't need show us. By that message alone, we know say, this guy carry, this woman carry. Child! Why una no like the hear word? Why? This guy, for una to see say the matter even heavy, even when he stop the post, like the period where he dey prison, and he die. Even as he stop the post, everybody even notice say, this guy, how come he no dey post again? For una to see say the case don bad, like everybody don't dey used to na say he dey post. Waiting. Kilo they swear for una. Now this kind of point you dey see people wey grow up inside poverty. Because if you grow up for rich family, you don't money no be new thing. Now when you never see him before, as he come, you want to start to show yourself. See, in as much as I know they support the fact say they no call lawyer. Now why I don't already come out for this video. You understand? Because Nigerian government need look inside this matter. But at the same time, my people, I just dey hope say all of us, I dey involve myself too. You understand? Because nobody dey perfect. I dey hope say we don't learn from this thing now wey happen. I just dey hope. No show yourself too much. You don't know who be your enemy. And this one no be the first time say wey happen. He get one way I even hear, we one foreigner. This one, they even catch him. He they brushed it with champagne. He they bath with bottled water. Like, and they make him in the way say people they notice. Who na they try impress? Who na they try impress? See, I don't go talk this one again. Low-key life is the best life. Wait till I talk. Low-key life is what? So make una carry on as soon as they work every day, as soon as they plan. No expose yourself too much. My brother, anywhere you find yourself now, I don't know whether you see me or you hear me, but my condolences to your family. Sorry. I bet my people now the matter be this so na really sad news, but how we for do? We go learn from her. Yes, drop your comment for the comment section. I want to know what you think concerning this matter. It is very, very serious. Share this video. You help person. You understand? And don't forget subscribe and click on that notification bell so that you go get notified anytime we drop the new and hot videos. I love you guys. See you later.